Hi, my name is Dr. Lexie Wang, and I'm a facial plastic surgeon at West End Plastic Surgery in Washington, D.C. Today on Face the Facts, we're going to be talking about under eye filler. Now, why might you want under eye fillers in the first place? So they are pretty good at treating things like hollowing or lack of volume in areas in your under eyes. Now, there are things that you need to think about when you are getting under eye filler. The first is the type of product you're going to use. I'll elaborate on this later, but you definitely want to pick something that is dissolvable. So generally this means a hyaluronic acid based filler, and make sure you ask your injector what they are using. The second thing is you want to make sure you pick something that tends to be consistent with what's already in your eyelid. So your eyelids are very thin, very finicky. So you want to pick something that is also pretty thin, soft, flexible, moldable. It's going to move with your eyes when you are smiling and closing your eyes. You don't want something that's like a big lump of filler that's just going to sit there and distract everyone from looking at your eyes. So that all being said, what are some things that filler cannot do for your under eyes? This is a very important part to pay attention to because a lot of people think that under eye filler can fix these things, and while it might help, it will not fix these things, and you have to understand that prior to going in. Under eye filler cannot treat eye bags. It cannot treat pigmentation, so that includes dark circles. It will not make blood vessels that you can see in the lower eyelids less prominent. And it will also not improve fine lines of your under eyelids. Now, like I said, it might help some of these, but it is not designed to treat those. So if those are issues you are struggling with, under eye filler is not the option for you. The last thing I want to end on is the risks of under eye filler. There are many injectors who don't even do this because of how risky this is, and this is definitely why you want to make sure you're going to a good injector. Under eye filler is very dangerous because you are injecting a physical substance into an area where there are a lot of tiny blood vessels. And if those blood vessels get blocked off, then you no longer send blood flow to the area it's trying to supply. In this case, it is the eyeball, and you can see how if the eyeball is no longer getting any blood flow, this can lead to things like blindness, which is a real risk with this. So please make sure that you are educated prior to going into this. It is not something you want to just decide willy-nilly that that's something you want. These are my thoughts on under eye filler. My name is Lexie Wang. I am a facial plastic surgeon at West End Plastic Surgery, and it was good to talk to you.